Okay, it's the morning time. Would you like to see the birds go nuts over their food? Here's their food. I put it in a plate. Let's see. Get the camera a little bit better. There we go. Okay.
Who's hungry? Who's hungry of a bird? Yeah, everybody get in there.
You gotta get a spot.
Everybody gets to get a spot.
Every single one of them is totally knocked out. Almost. They didn't know that they were going to get dumped into this white plate and fed to the birds.
Are they gonna figure it out?
Okay, so this is their second day with me, and they're already free-ranging. They're free-range birds already. Check them out. They're digging the grass already.
Come on, you better go over there with your friends. Get over there. Yeah. See anything good? Everybody is just hanging out, enjoying the grass. We're only 5 days old, but we're enjoying the bugs. Look, there's a big bug. Oh my gosh, look, there's a big fucking bug. Did you eat it? There was a big bug in there. Dude, if you could swallow that big bug, you'd be the king of the chicks. Look, everybody's starting to get the hang already. Looking for various creatures in the grass. Oh, we're fighting over something. They're scrappers. They're like, Dad, we want to hang out here all the time. I got the food. We're not all that concerned with the food though anymore. It's a great big world out here. So if you would like to contribute to the raising of these birds, because I still have so many things to buy, like chicken wire and poles for the chicken fence, and I've got to build a chicken coop, and so many different things, the feed. And so if you would like to contribute to that and get yourself an awesome massage tool or a millet hull pillow or body pillow, or maybe a new case for your pillow, so many great things on my website, go to Brett's Natural Health .com and order you one, and then everybody will be happy. So thanks for joining me, everybody. Happy day.